Same thing other side. Three-legged down dog. Starts off in a four-legged down dog, which means that elbows are wrapping in, your pointer fingers are parallel to each other, and your hands are about shoulder width apart. Butts up, tailbone reaching towards the ceiling, and you're in this nice steep V. Backs of the legs kind of straightening. And then from there, slide one leg up and back. Boom. The arms, make sure that the hips are square to the floor. Don't let them open up unless otherwise specified. Hips stay square. Legs are kicking, both of them strongly. Same thing other side. Neck is relaxed. Arms are strong. I'm a straight line between my hands, hips, and this heel that's in the air. Three-legged dog.